everyone, and welcome to another video. Today I've got these really pretty butterfly glitter, chunky glitter things, and I'm going to be using my flexi hand for this. So there's some really nice colours in there, so I only got them the other day and I wanted to use them, so that's what we're going to do in this video. So let's go. So I've got this by Lavender Violets. D110 is the pink that I'm going to be using first. So I'm going to pop a layer of that down. Obviously, if this was a client, you would have buffed and prepped the nails. But as this is my flexi hand, I am just going to be going straight over the tips. So nice neat cuticle edges. We are going to need 2 coats of this. I don't think I filmed me doing 2 coats though, because you'll just get bored. So I just do those ones. Am I taking the finger off? No. So I just butt it up carefully to the cuticle and then pull it down. It's quite a nice pink. It's like a candy pink or a Barbie pink, isn't it? I quite like it. So once you're happy with that, I'm going to pop that in the lamp. Next, we're going to be putting on the Beatles colour the Beatles. I still can't talk. Number 30. It is a nice pink glittery colour. I mean, you could have put this down first without the pink base if you want, but I just thought it'd go better. I probably didn't need to do 2 coats of the pink underneath really if I'm putting this on top, but I'd already done it by then, so I was just like, okay, whatever, I'll just put this on top. If I suddenly pause this voiceover, it's because my new kitten is about to jump at the screen while he's watching this. So this is the Lavender Violets D108. So this is going to be my base. The kitten is currently sitting on my lap while I'm doing this voiceover. Obviously I'm watching the videos, I'm doing the voiceover, but he's watching it too. And you can see my paintbrush, my gel brush going across the screen. So if I'm not careful, he's going to launch at it in a minute. He's a cute little thing. So once I'm happy with those, I will pop them in the lamp. And you're going to need to do 2 coats of this colour. In they go. And then I'm going to take my palette now, and I'm taking my Beatles 30 pink glitter one again, and I'm going to pop some of that on there. And I've got my Natalie Mugridge detailer brush. I always, when I bring it into the video, I've always got it upside down every single time. I don't think I've had it ever at the right way up the first time I bring it out. Anyway, getting some on there, just loading it up, and then just kind of doing a swoosh. Oh, the kitten's going to go at the screen. Yeah. Doesn't need to be neat. I want some bits thicker, some bits thinner, and then I just kind of neaten up the edges where I want them. Yeah, because that's going to be, I'm going to pop the butterflies on top of that in the same direction, sort of as if they're swimming. No, they're not swimming, are they? I was going to say swimming then. Flying. They fly, don't they? Butterflies, they don't swim. Yes, of course they do. Stupid girl. So yeah, I'm going to put them into that swoosh so that it looks like they're flying into the air. It was very bright as well today in my nail room, so apologies if there's a little bit of glare, and sometimes it looks a bit yellowy. I think where the sun's been glaring in, but I hope you can see it all right. So this one I did as an opposite swoosh. And just making it a bit wider at the cuticle area. And then that's going to go in the lamp for a cure. Now I only had one layer of this, and then I'm going to go in with these butterflies here. But first I'm going to use some base, so I'm going to pop that down first, because at least then the butterflies can sit in that. So I'm going to apply a thin layer of that onto the nail, all over, so that it's even. And I've got my detailer brush, just so that I can pick up the butterflies. Sorry, that was my chair squeaking. I've got a little bit of base on the tip of my brush so that I can pick up the butterflies, and then I can place them where I want them. I do faff a little bit with the placement of these, well, which direction I want them and stuff like that once I've got them on the nail, but you know, you can have them where you want them really. And just move them around to wherever you want them with the brush. They should slide about until you cure it. And then when you're happy, you can pop it in. And we're going to do the same again with the other one, so I'll let you just watch this. Sorry, got a bit of a snotty nose. The kids have brought home a cold from school, I think. Oh dear. I feel pretty rotten, actually. Never mind. That one goes in the lamp. I think the cats are about to kick off. Biting. So I apologise in advance if there's any noise. So once that's done, I'm going to go in and base coat again, just to seal in those butterflies and make sure that they're not poking out and sticking up. Obviously it's quite important with this on a client, because otherwise they pick at it, and most clients, myself included, I don't like to be able to feel lumpy bumpy bits on my nail, so I like to put base down first, and then after that I will top coat. Stop it, stop biting him. Sorry, my cats are biting. Wait, hey, stop. So they're gone, getting up now. So I'm just going to do the other one. We've got a little bit of hair. Let's get that out. Turn it upside down to help gravity. And then next I'm going to put some of this white, any white will do, just on the palette. Because next we're going to be using our detailer brush to do the galaxy type star things and some dots. So I'm just loading my brush here, making sure it's nice and loaded. I want a little bit on the end of the brush to create some dots first. I didn't know where I wanted the dots, I'm just winging it really, just, yeah. I mean, they turned out pretty good in the end actually, and I've had a lot of people comment on these when they've seen them in the nail room on my flexi hand and said that they like it, so Yeah, okay, so I picked up my dotting tool now instead, by the looks of it. I think perhaps I wasn't keen on the dots at first with the detailer brush, but I'll pick that back up again in a minute to pull this out and you'll see what I'm talking about. So those dots are going there. Plenty of polish on them because I'm going to drag the polish with my detailer brush from the middle and to the outside. I did get quite lazy and sometimes decided I couldn't be bothered to put my hand up the other way because it was a bit shaky today for some reason. And yeah, so I painted it down rather than painting it out, if you know what I mean. So from the inside out is the way that you should do it so that you get more of a point. But I was being a bit lazy, really. So I'm just going to do this on all of the other ones, the big dots that I've got there. Oh, come on, stop biting. Nicely, boys, come on. That's those done. I'm going to put them in the lamp for a 10-second flash cure. And take my dotting tool again, just to do some random little dots. Some are bigger, some are smaller. I was just putting them on randomly. And that's that one done and going in the lamp. Now I'm going to do the same with this one. I'm going to be quiet and let you watch the whole thing without me talking. And that's that one done now. So now we're going to go in with our top coat on both of the nails. Making sure that we're covering everything, including the butterflies again, and obviously now the spots and stars. It's quite pretty, isn't it? In the lamp it goes. And I'm going to top coat the glitter fingers as well. that's the full set, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and a thumbs up, and comment below and let me know what you want to see next. And I will see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye for now. Bye bye.